In this video, we will show you how to get paper from Scribd without login. For example, if you find a paper on Scribd and when you open the Scribd websites, when you want to download, it will offer you to sign up or sign in. And actually, you can easily get these PDF files. First, you can using application like scribd.vdownloader.com. Then you can paste the URL here and click get download now. Okay, you can see this is the URL, and after that you can click download PDF. Okay, now you need to wait until your PDF is ready. Okay, you can download the PDF here. After the download is complete, you can try to open your PDF files. You can see. And the number second, actually, if you don't want to download but just want have presentation on PDF files, you can using this URL. Okay, we will paste this URL in the pinned comments. For example, you need to change the X with the ID of the paper. Okay, for example here, and paste on this URL here, and we can hit enter. With this method, you have full screen in the Scribd. So if you don't want to download, you can just using this method, or you can using method 1 to get the paper. Hope this video helpful for you.